Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use a split screen feature on your LENOVO Idea Tab device. So to split the screen between two applications, we just need to first open an app that we want to split, then tap the three dot icon at the top of the window, and then tap this icon to split it with a different application. So right now we're gonna have to select an application that we want to open as a second one on our device. So for example, let's open a recorder, and now we'll be able to resize each window by dragging this bar between them. We can also replace the windows by holding down the three dot icon at the top of your application and dragging it to the other side. So let's try once again, just like this, and that's pretty much it. If you want to close the window, just do it like this, and then you'll exit the split screen mode. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.